Modern lifestyle, designed for your needs. Garden solar lamps, best for garden patio, pathways, and sidewalk. No need of electric wiring, install in 5 minutes. Pull the top cover to open. Pull the plastic insulator to turn on the light. The light will turn on. If the light does not work, charge it 1 to 2 days under direct sunlight. Push the top cover to close. Insert the plastic round rod into the solar lamp. Remove the spine. Insert the spike into the soil. Connect the plastic round rod together with the spike. Designed to withstand rain or shine. Modern lifestyle garden solar lamp is now available at all leading DIY stores nationwide. It would be the best choice to make your property elegant. Please like, share, subscribe